Hey, Brucey, what's up?
Hey, Nico B. Come here, show me the love man hug time.
Enough, all right?
Whoa, what are we about here, you and me?
I don't know.
What are we about, boy?
Oh, I'm an immigrant and a hired gun, and you're a steroid junkie, but we get along.
No, not that stuff. That's superficial. I'm talking about the real shit.
What?
We're winners, man. Fucking winners. That's how we roll, brother. Bling, check. Bodies, check. Paper, check. That's how we roll, bitches. The boss.
Are you all right? Too much bullshark testosterone up the ass?
Fuck you, man. Hey, check this out. Lenny! Lenny! Is the bitch ready?
Well, she's very shiny.
Look at her, and weep tears of pure gold. Motherfuckers! Come on now, let's go show some people just how we roll. Yeah, all right, come on, get in. Come on, start you!
Pure gold, eh, big man?
Lenny, you're a fucking asshole. What is this? What is this?
You tuned to yourself.
Well, what should I do? I mean, I need a flashy car. People are gonna think I'm a no-nut bullshitter if I fail to deliver here.
How about Steve's car?
Yes, I'll call him on the way. Nico, can you drive us to Freetown Avenue in Willis?
Yeah.
Come on, let's roll, bitches! Woo! Come on, Nicky, we need some wheels.
Hol den Rennwagen. Ja, die ist auch noch. Ja gut, Brucey. Geh mit.
Nico, man, excuse me, but I gotta make this call to tell this guy we're borrowing his car. Stevie boy, how's tricks? No, man, you can spot me. Yeah. For sure. All right, listen, man. All right, listen, me and my ice-cold friend Nico gotta borrow your car. No, the other one. Well, of course it'll be cool. What? It's outside? Great! Love you, man!
He's fine with us taking it? We won't have an incident like the last time I got a car for you?
No way, man. That was a one-time only, baby. Me and Stevie are tight. Okay, tighter than that. Tighter than... Shit, I was gonna say my hands, but I think you know that nothing's tighter than this shit. Yeah, wanna feel?
Thanks, but I got my hands full.
God, this is exactly the type of shit you and me should be doing. Cruising for bitches, destroying the town. You and me could be doing some serious damage, like a nuclear bomb up in this shit. But a sexy bomb, you know? A bomb that only affects girls with D cups, tight asses, blonde hair, no cellulite, and tan. Yeah!
Right. I don't know if I get your meaning, but we can hang out sometime.
Ja gut, quatschen kann er, gell? Dieser Brucey. Das muss man am Lussen. Und es kommt die Sonne raus, wie die Zeit. Ich darf noch lieber die City absauft. Ah, da ist er schön. Und es schaut aus wie ein Porsche. Ja gut. Den haben wir gleich. Moment. Weg das. Richtig eingepackt. Ja und jetzt? Einfach klauen oder wir? Nimm mit. Zum Start des Rennens. Was für Rennen? Da bist du wahnsinnig. Jetzt soll ich ja noch Rennen fahren.
So, when we get there, will you be driving?
No way, man. I'm just here to look good. Me and you are cruising together. That's how we roll. Passenger side, flexing the guns, scoping the chicks, flashing the bling, pumping the sounds, riding shotgun while my boy Nico pulls off some badass Red Army, pedal to the metal, skin of your teeth, burnt rubber moves. Am I right? Is that our style? Because I think that is how we roll up in this shit. Man, I am fucking pumped today.
Ja gut, ich würde ihm sagen, jetzt werden wir gleich scheitern, oder?
here we be. You ready to feel the G's? Whoa! The skin looks really rough, man. You had some help? A little botulism special there? I like that, homie. You want a shot when we get back?
I'm fine.
Ja gut, ab geht's. Geht weg, der Buben. Und das Rennen gewinnen. Alter. So, man darf die Typen abschießen, ha? Wohin? Da wäre ich.
All eyes are on us, Nicky!
Da muss ich mich tatsächlich ein bisschen konzentrieren, gell? Normal, ich schaffe es nicht. Links abbiegen.
You think someone like me has come second even once in his life? No fucking way!
Lucy, halt die Schnauze. So mal verfolge ich mich. Immer gut aus.
Oh, yeah!
Oh Gott. War nicht mein Fehler. Der ist im Weg gestanden. Und wo es im Weg steht, wird umgefahren. Aber wir sind der Erster. Das ist die Hauptsache.
Woo! I'm getting altitude sickness because the top of the pile is so fucking high.
Alle gewickert. Ich darf mir sagen, die anderen sind hinter mir, oder? Einen kleinen Vorsprung habe ich.
Uno!
Ah, da ist Ziel schön. Ich hab's.
Intense! Intense! I fucking love you, man. Number one, good driving. How do I look? Pretty good, right?
Yeah, pretty good.
Take me back to my apartment, man. I'm feeling jacked. I want to hit the weights. Now!
Ja gut. Einen kleinen Kratz habe ich gefunden, schön. Das geht ja noch.
You know what, Nico? You can keep this car. You earned it. And I can't have my boy rolling in anything but serious genetically different winter style, you know?
I thought it belonged to Steve.
Fuck Steve. You are the man. You are number one. You won this shit anyway. I'll give Steve the bitch.
The bitch don't work too good.
Don't worry about that. Brucey has the magic fingers. They only touch prime engines, hot models, no cellulite. Okay, VIP only. Read my lips. I'm a winner. And when they touch, shit, they work some serious magic, bro.
What is it that you do, Brucey? Are you a mechanic? I don't get it.
I'm a businessman, an entrepreneur. I make shit happen.
Sure, but you seem kind of legit. Why you need guys killed?
Of course I'm legit. Have you seen my delts? That shit is as legitimate as it gets.
What about these guys you need killed?
Fuck, Nicky. You know Brucey. He's number one. It's lonely at the top. Sometimes the juice, it just takes control. Okay, red mist descends, and I need shit to happen to people.
Are you talking about fucking roid rage? Is that why I killed those men?
Oh, they were bad cats, Nicky. Maybe the juice meant I wasn't as patient as I should have been. But you know, as a businessman, I can't let people get away with shit. I need to be firm.
Look, Brucey, I like you, and I think we should hang out, but I don't want to work with you no more. I can't go around fucking people up because you've overdone it on the juice.
Oh, all right, Nicky, man, I'm feeling you, okay? You don't want to let our business thing get in the way of our personal relationship. That's all good, man.
Cool.
Nicky, I feel like we really bonded back there. I'm close to you, man. You let me inside. You let your armor down, you know? We had a moment, man. Call me, and we'll hang.
Sure we did.
Erzählen kann er wie ein Weltmeister, gell? Und der Bruce habe ich einen Porsche gewonnen. Wow. In der Realität geht das nicht so leicht, gell? Da musst du ein bisschen mehr tun. Ich werde mir vorschlagen, wir fahren jetzt wieder da oben. Also da oben. Weil bei Bruce haben wir die ganze Mission abgeschlossen. Außer natürlich die Exportmissionen. Die können wir weiterhin machen. Ja, so mal. Wieder Bursche. Jetzt schreibt er schon wieder. Was möchte er? Ein Date? Nein. Von Dates habe ich die Nosen voll. Jetzt brauche ich wieder richtige Männerarbeit. Arbeit für einen Bayern. Jetzt haue ich allerdings erst mit um. Moment, machen wir abbiegen. Und immer Vollgas. Mit Vollgas durch den Verkehr. Jetzt weg da, hier am Porsche. In der vorbei. Heute bin ich was Besseres. Oh Gott, schon wie es dazugeht. Oder geh weg da. Da schaut er mal mit der Limousine. Ja, geh weiter. Sonst schiebe ich an. $5. Diese Holzabschneider. Ja, pass auf. Meine Sozialwohnung. Die da gleich am Sick. Das ist das Gute, gell? Ich bleib da vorne. Den parke ich da. Damit ich länger da Spaß hab. Na, schaut immer. Das Familienauto. Außer da. Hat der Spaß ein Ende.
Sorry, man, but this is a carjacking.
Und jetzt fahren wir mal zu den anderen Typen um. Ich weiß gar nicht mehr. Wir hatten ja geheißen. Geh weg da.
Not cool, sorry.
Ja, sag mal. Hoppala. War ein Polizist. Ja, sag mal, Kumpel, bist du tot oder wie? Aber gerade ein bisschen, oder? Na gut, der schläft. In der Treppen drin hat.
Okay, guys, I just want to get one more shot, please. This is going to look great right over here. Officer, please, I need you this way. Thank you. Tight up on Manny. I need you guys tight. It's going to be great. Up here. Thank you. A little closer. A little closer. Thank you so much. It's wonderful, wonderful, beautiful. Now, we are going to be da-da-da-da-da.
Yeah, all I can say is I hope you'll continue to make the community a better place.
Hey, man, you know, for a cop, you ain't so bad, man. You know, give it up. The streets, man. Word, give it up. Hey, Officer McCready, this is Nico right here. This is my man, Nico.
Oh, good to meet you. I hear you're helping this guy with his vital work for our city.
Oh, no, I'm just a tourist.
Look, Manny, I gotta go.
All right.
Keep doing what you're doing.
Thank you, officer. Thanks. Yeah, you know, it was a real big thing for me, you know what I'm saying? A real street cat to start working with the gatekeepers of the community to make things better. I mean, where I'm from, out here, man, police, it's a dirty word, man.
Manny,
you know?
I got things to do. You, off.
Yo, man, I was just getting my flow on, man. I ain't rap for years. I was one of them cats who invented that shit, man. It went commercial.
Yeah, like charity work.
Shit, man, I'm the voice of the streets, man. Yo, if I'm gonna make some money, that's the way shit's gonna be.
All right, I'm just saying.
Whatever, man. Fucking punk. Yo, listen, homeboy, I need you to do me a favor, man. Listen, man, I need you to help me out, man. I need you to get some bitches taken out, moved on, whatever. Cause, yo, I promised Mr. McCready I was gonna get this place cleaned up, and I will.
Okay, how many?
A bunch, man, a bunch. They're hanging out and making bad shit happen all over South Bohan, man. They're over on Windmill Street right now.
All right. What did they do?
Man, they disrespected the codes of the streets, man. The streets, man, they owe you, man. They owe you big time.
As long as they pay.
Over here, man.
I'm on you.
Yo, That's what I'm saying, man. Streets, we got codes, man. You know what I'm saying? We live by these codes, you know what I mean?